What's going on, guys? In today's video, I want to show you 5 websites that are making over $100,000 per month online. And we're going to actually break these websites down and I'll show you their main income source. And it's one of my favorite income sources. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is to first of all show you what's possible online, but more importantly, to show you how these websites are structured, show you how they make their money, so you can get ideas for your own online business. You can kind of like not copy or replicate, but you can model what they're doing to go and make money online. Now, I follow a lot of these websites and I've been following them for years, and they actually lay out exactly how they're making their money for everybody to see. It's like out in the open, anybody can see this. So it really is a good idea to go and check out exactly how they're making their money. And you'll be surprised at how open it is. It's almost like an open book. They literally tell you, or some of them tell you exactly how they're making the money. And it's crazy. And that's actually when I was trying to figure out how to make money online a long time ago, that's how I kind of started believing that it was possible online, because people were actually showing exactly what they were making and what they were making it from. So let's jump into my computer and I'll show you these 5 websites and we'll go through them and I'll show you exactly how they're making money online. All right, guys, welcome back. So I'm going to show you these websites that are making over $100,000 per month. And you might be thinking, how do I know this? And all that sort of stuff. Well, let me explain to you how. So this is the first website. This is called Fire Nation. And if you actually notice at the top right here, it says April 2020 income, $267,000. Now, if I actually click on this, which I already have done, it takes me to this page here, and it will actually explain exactly how this person made this money. Now, a lot of websites actually do this. They will literally show you like exactly how they've made the money. They don't hide anything, they show you everything. So let me scroll down to where the numbers start to happen. So this is the first website. I quite enjoy this website, I visit it quite often. If we scroll down here, it says affiliate income, $145,000. So he's made a considerable amount of money from affiliate marketing. He's made some of it from his resource for entrepreneurs, which I want to dive into first. So it says resources for entrepreneurs. What that means is if we click on this page here, it shows up this section here, and he actually gives away what it looks like free courses. And these free courses will have affiliate links in them. And you see it says funnel on fire, create a funnel that converts. So he has a free course on how to create a funnel. And if you notice here, he's made $21,000 in this month just from ClickFunnels, which is a funnel building program. And then he's made some money here. I've always preached, guys, if you want to do affiliate marketing, one of the best ways to do it is to actually give away a course for free and then have links for affiliate marketing programs in those courses. Now, if we scroll down, he actually also got affiliate commissions from promoting other people's courses. And you might be thinking, how did he do that? So we got $119,000 from promoting this course, $500 from this one, $133 from this one, and $0 from that one. And then he also got some from podcasting, it looks like. What he does is this particular website, he collects emails on the blog. He just collects emails and things like that. He builds an email list. And then what he does is he actually goes and finds other people's products to promote. So like I said down here, he finds other people's products to promote to his email list. So when they do a big launch, he goes and promotes them and he gets an affiliate commission for promoting those products. And the best thing is he doesn't need his own product. He doesn't need to do support or anything like that. He just sends people to a specific link where he gets a commission. Now you might be thinking, okay, he made $145,000 this month because he promoted this course. He still makes a considerable amount of money just from his resource tab up here, just by giving away free courses and then having affiliate marketing links inside those free courses. I've preached this many times. It's a great way to make affiliate marketing commissions. Now, the second website here is pretty much just a basic blog. If you click on this one here, they've got a blog post. Now, inside this blog post, they actually have affiliate links. So you'll see here, to get your you can get your blog and theme set up for only $15. Click here. This is actually an affiliate link. Now, these guys have made quite a bit of money from affiliate marketing. So this is website number 2. And once again, they've done a report so you can tell. So that from affiliate marketing and sponsored content, they have made $103,000 in 1 month. And it actually shows you what particular products they have made affiliate commissions from. So Tailwind is a Pinterest software. PicMonkey is a website. Fiverr is something you guys should all know. Amazon, Bluehost is a website you can start a website with. So let me click on that. This is actually their affiliate link, and it goes to this website. So if someone, and they've got a custom page. So if someone clicks this link, they get a commission. I actually promote Bluehost myself, and I get $135 each time somebody signs up. And these guys get these commissions by blogging about how to create a website. So how to create an email address on Bluehost, how to launch your Bluehost WordPress website. So if we click on this, how to launch your Bluehost WordPress website, and we go down, they have a full tutorial on how to do this, okay? And so people are interested, and they're going to click the affiliate links inside this article, like right here. Now you'll also notice on the right, they have a free course that they're giving away. How to start a blog, a free 5-day email course. This is literally one of the best ways to get commissions. Give away value by giving away some sort of course for free. I do this all the time. I've talked about it just before and many times before. And inside that course, have affiliate links. So you get affiliate commissions. I myself have a course on how to create a blog for free. And that's how I get a lot of my affiliate marketing commissions for Bluehost as well. I actually just decided to show you one of my free courses here. So if we go to preview, this course is completely free. I don't charge for this course. And you'll see it's a course on how to start a blog and a website. And this here is an affiliate link on the side. So if I click this, it takes me to Bluehost. So that's how I get a lot of my affiliate marketing commissions. And it says exclusive offer for friends of Franklin Hatchett. Because I give people value inside this completely free course. And down here, they can also click it as well. And over here. So here and here. So I get commissions for giving away completely free value. So this website here, which is called It's a Lovely Life, $100,000 from affiliate commissions and sponsored content. I would presume most of it is from affiliate marketing commissions. Now this website here is called Dollar Sprout. I'm not going to show you the income report because they don't actually have one, but they have talked about how much they make per month on another blog that they have. They make $180,000 per month. How do they do that? By having affiliate links inside their website. So if we go page surveys, here we go, 12 places to take paid surveys online or online paid surveys. All of these links right here, these are affiliate links. Anytime someone clicks these links and makes a purchase or signs up or does something in particular, these guys get a commission. It could be $5, $2, $100. It could be any type. Now they have, I think these guys have over 1,000 articles. So you could imagine that the commissions start to crank up really, really quickly. So this is an affiliate link here. This is an affiliate link here. This is an affiliate link. Well, this is a link to a review actually. And this is probably affiliate link here. So these are all affiliate links where they will get a commission when somebody signs up. If we go back to side hustles, start a blog. They will have affiliate commissions inside here as well. Affiliate links, I should say. So if we go down, HostGator. If I clicked on this particular link and I made a purchase through this link, I think it will load up. Yep, so this is an affiliate link. So FPAT at the top. This means that this is an affiliate link. I will get a commission. They will get a commission if I sign up to this. So it's really, really powerful stuff. Now, the next website is one of my favorites, and I actually learn a lot from this website. This website in particular, I'm not going to go through the content, but basically it's a blog where she blogs about things and she has affiliate marketing links in her blogs, just like the other one. But check this out. So in September 2019, she hasn't done an income thing since, I don't think. She made over $100,000, I think. Somewhere on here it says she made over $100,000. I think she made a lot more than that. 52% of that was from affiliate marketing. So a lot of people think that gurus and stuff like me make a lot of our income from courses. We actually make, well, I make as well, a majority from affiliate marketing. So she's made, affiliate marketing, you don't need your own product. You don't need to do support. All you need to do is send traffic to the particular product. That's why affiliate marketing is so powerful, okay? It actually says here how I made $1.5 million in 2018. So in 2018, she made $1.5 million, and I will presume that, and that's 2018, guys, it's 2020 now, so she's probably doing a lot better now. But I would probably assume that most of that was from affiliate marketing commissions. I'm just trying to find something that indicates that. It doesn't. But I would say a large proportion of that, let's just say 60% of that, is probably affiliate marketing commissions. So it's extremely powerful stuff. Okay. You might be asking, how does she actually make the money? Well, she makes the money by giving away that free course, but she also makes the money by blogging, building up an audience. More importantly, she has all of this stuff on the side here. So how to start a blog. If I click on how to start a blog, it's going to take me to an article on how to start a blog. And once again, she's collecting those emails to send out a completely free course with affiliate links in them. But also, there's probably affiliate links in this post as well. But either way, she links to other articles that probably have affiliate links. But either way, she's building up traffic by going out and doing blog posts. And then what they're doing is they're clicking on her site, finding her free course. She even has a link, little thing right here. That actually might be a Bluehost ad, I think. So that won't be hers. So she makes money like that from that as well. But she has all of these things on the side that people click. These are probably her, what we call pillar content, her main content. So it's really, really interesting. I like hers. I like her website. I actually go to it quite a lot. Now this one here, I know that he makes an incredible amount of money. He said that most of his money, affiliate commissions, came from his resource page up here. If we click on tools, once again, he has recommended tools where he will get a commission. So this is an affiliate link. So I think we can come to the conclusion that having a resource page on your affiliate marketing website is probably a good idea. I have them on mine as well, and that's where a lot of my commissions come from as well. But as we scroll down, this is a very good structured page where he recommends products that he's using, and he gets an affiliate marketing commission. Now this one here is quite interesting. This is called ConvertKit. He actually gets 30%, probably more because he's a top affiliate. He gets 30% of whatever someone pays per month. So as long as they stay on that program for 10 years, 20 years, or 1 year or 2 years, it doesn't matter. If that person stays on for that program, as long as they're on that program, he gets 30% of whatever they spend every single month. So if they're on a higher plan, he gets better money. However, out of these 5, this one is probably my favorite because he actually lays out everything step by step. So go and check out this guy's website, guys, if you want to kind of go and see how people are making money with affiliate marketing. He lays everything out exactly how you need it. All right, guys, so that's 5 websites that are making over $100,000 per month, mainly with affiliate marketing. I hope that helped you understand the possibilities online. Now, if you want some more free training that you can watch right now, click one of the videos on the right, and that will take you through a method step by step on how to make money online. And I'll also leave a playlist with other videos in them as well. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.